Hey, food explorers, ever thought of your kitchen as a lab where every ingredient is a key to unlocking health and happiness? Today, we're embarking on a gastronomic adventure that's about much more than just filling our plates. It's a journey to discover how the right food choices can transform our lives. Ready for some delicious revelations? Let's get started. Nutrition is the cornerstone of this adventure. Imagine your body as a complex, high-performance machine. Carbohydrates are your quick fuel, proteins are the building blocks, and fats are your energy reserves. Vitamins and minerals, think of them as the nuts and bolts that keep everything running smoothly. Understanding these elements helps you fuel your body just right. Breakfast, the first act in your daily health play. A great breakfast is a blend of fiber-rich carbs for lasting energy, protein for muscle health, and healthy fats for fullness. Imagine a canvas where oats, eggs, fruits, and nuts come together to create a morning masterpiece. It's not just a meal, it's a performance enhancer. Mindful eating is more than a trend. It's a revolution in our eating habits. It's about engaging with every aspect of food, its source, preparation, and impact. By eating mindfully, we not only enhance our enjoyment but also tune into our body's true needs, often leading to natural portion control and a deeper appreciation for food. Snacking is an art. It's about choosing the right fuel at the right time. Mid-morning or afternoon, when your energy starts to dip, reach for something that's a combo of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Think hummus with veggie sticks or a handful of nuts and berries. It's not just a stopgap, it's strategic fueling. How often should we eat? It's a personal rhythm. For some, 3 square meals work wonders. Others may thrive on smaller, more frequent meals to maintain energy levels. It's about listening to your body's unique needs and responding with the right eating schedule. Water. It's essential but often overlooked. A general guideline is about 2 to 3 liters of water a day, but it's not set in stone. Factors like physical activity, climate, and individual health can adjust this requirement. Think of water as the lubricant in the machinery of your body, vital for every function. Meal prep is your culinary ally. It's about taking charge of your week. Plan a menu, pick versatile ingredients, cook in bulk, and store for easy access. This isn't just about saving time, it's about ensuring you always have healthy choices at your fingertips. Eating out doesn't have to derail your healthy eating journey. Start with a salad, choose grilled over fried, and remember portion control. And yes, indulge in a dessert occasionally, perhaps sharing it with a friend. It's about balance and making mindful choices, not about restriction. As we wrap up, remember that this is your personal food journey. It's about discovering what works best for you, enjoying the process, and embracing the diverse, delicious world of healthy eating. Every meal is a new scene in this exciting adventure.